Intro. Hey there, Green Thumbs! Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into some fantastic things you can grow in your garden to create a beautiful, productive, and satisfying outdoor space. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your plant collection, I've got you covered with easy-to-grow plants that bring beauty, fragrance, and fresh produce right to your doorstep. Transition screen 10 things to grow in your garden. 1. Herbs. Starting with the basics, herbs are a must-have. They're easy to grow and incredibly useful in the kitchen. Basil, mint, rosemary, and thyme are popular choices. You can grow them in pots or directly in the soil. Plus, they add a wonderful aroma to your garden. Herbs need full sun and good drainage. Make sure to harvest them often to encourage new growth. Next up is tomatoes. There's nothing quite like a fresh, homegrown tomato. These juicy, flavorful fruits are surprisingly easy to grow, especially in the summer. They do well in containers or directly in the ground, but make sure they get plenty of sun. Support your plants with stakes or cages and watch out for pests. Once you start harvesting, you'll have enough tomatoes for salads, sauces, and snacks. If you're into fresh salads, leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale are perfect choices. They grow quickly and can be harvested multiple times in one season. Plus, they're a great option for cooler weather. Plant them in partial shade if you're in a hot climate, and water them regularly to keep the leaves tender and juicy. Cucumbers are one of the most productive vegetables you can grow. They love warm weather and grow quickly, so you'll have plenty to share. Cucumbers need space to climb, so consider a trellis to keep them off the ground. Keep them watered consistently, as cucumbers can get bitter if they dry out, and pick them regularly to encourage more fruit. For a pop of color and flavor, try growing peppers. Whether you like them mild or hot, there's a variety for everyone. Peppers love sun and heat, so place them in a sunny spot and watch them thrive. Peppers do well in pots too, making them a versatile option for small spaces. Just make sure to water them regularly for optimal growth. Carrots, radishes, and other root vegetables are rewarding and fun to grow. They do well in loose, well-drained soil, and they're perfect for garden beds. The best part, you can sow the seeds directly into the ground and just let them grow. Thinning the seedlings is essential for root veggies. Give them room to grow so they don't end up too small. Zucchini and squash are prolific producers. Once they start, they don't stop. Just 1 or 2 plants will give you a steady supply all season long. These plants love sun and rich soil, so give them a spot in your garden with plenty of space. Harvest the fruits when they're small for the best flavor, and to prevent them from overtaking your garden. Who doesn't love fresh strawberries? These sweet, juicy berries are easy to grow and perfect for small spaces. Strawberries do well in containers, raised beds, or hanging baskets. Plus, they're fun to pick right from the plant. To keep pests away, try mulching around the plants, and remember, strawberries are perennials, so they'll come back year after year with the right care. Beans are a great option if you want a crop that grows quickly and keeps producing. Pole beans in particular will climb and save you space while giving you a good harvest. They enrich the soil with nitrogen too, which benefits other plants nearby. Provide a sturdy support system for pole beans, or go with bush beans for a more compact option. And last but not least, sunflowers. Not only are they stunning, but they also attract pollinators like bees, which helps other plants thrive. They're easy to grow and can reach impressive heights, making them a beautiful focal point in any garden. Sunflowers love full sun, so plant them in a sunny spot. You can harvest the seeds for snacks or replanting. And there you have it, 10 fantastic things to grow in your garden. Each of these plants has its own unique benefits, and together they'll give you a lush, vibrant, and productive space. Let me know in the comments which ones you're excited to try, and if you're already growing some of these, share your tips with us. Thanks for tuning in to your channel name. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next gardening video. Until next time, happy gardening.